Hello and welcome to a short video to find indentation error in YAML. So YAML is indentation sensitive. If you give wrong indentation, either the YAML parser or Kubernetes will throw an error when you try to apply the file. Then how do you detect it? Let's see. I'm creating a pod file, simple pod file via pod.yaml API version. When I apply, look, it gives an error parsing pod YAML, error converting YAML to JSON YAML, and if it will give a line number. Then your job half the done. Now what we have to do, you have to pod YAML. Just you can do two things: set number, you will see, and you can easily find 8 number, and you can do this thing also, colon 8. It will directly go to the line number 8, beginning of the line. Now you will see here one space is there. Just press I and backspace WQ. Now you apply pod. The pod is created. It is the pod file. So the error message is little bit like this. But suppose if it is a deployment file, I will copy a deployment. I will have a deployment file pod.dpl.yaml. Now name is NeoKloud and image is Nginx. I will remove replica C, and now WQ apply -f. Sorry, if it is not there, it's preassume as 1. I will create another mistake. I will not give any name. Look, it's give something, this type of error, retrying current state. So I'll give name here NeoKloud. I will delete container. Now it will give deployment is invalid, this error. So if this path is there, you will easily know where the mistake is. So avoid this type of typing mistake by doing slowly or with the rhythmic rate, like not too slow, not too fast. Thank you so much for your love and support. So